sit back and relax because today we're adventuring through Sitka, Alaska. I am on a cruise in Alaska, so I thought I'd take you with me to explore the beautiful town of Sitka. We're gonna look for 3 S's today. We're gonna look for some souvenirs, we're gonna look for some sightseeing, and we're gonna look to sample the local cuisine. So, let's get to it, come on. We're stepping into Alaska. Oh my gosh, it's pretty. Look at the boats. And all the trees. It is bright. It is definitely bright. It does remind me of Washington. And the snow on the mountain, oh my gosh. I don't know what I expected exactly, but this is basically like Washington dialed up. It's pretty. And it's not super cold, which is nice. Welcome to Sitka. Ta! Let's go. Look at this cute sweater. Oh my goodness, beautiful. I definitely think we're gonna find a souvenir here. Whoa. Oh. Oh. These are incredible, oh my gosh. Like whalebone jewelry? Stop. It's like another world. Scariest parts of a bear. This part, that part, totally this part, this part, this part. Sitka, Alaska. Those are cute. Made in Alaska. Lots of things. Oh. I don't know what the purpose of this is. I think it's a spoon holder. Oh my gosh, so cute. Oh, I love tiny pet animals. Oh my gosh, I used to know how to felt these, and I made a little horse, and I made a cat and a car, and my cat Tigger ate them and ripped them apart. So I don't have them anymore, but these are really cute. Adorable. I could make these. I should get needle felting stuff again. This bear ain't seen anyone this tall before. It's a little nervous. We got our first S for a souvenir from Sitka. We got some local cuisine, which we're going to be sampling, which are these caramels that have been made here. I think it said early 1900s is when they started. And then for my souvenir, I collect magnets. So I got this cute little fridge magnet for Sitka, Alaska, and it has the cruise ship on it. So cute. So next on our stop is some more sightseeing, and then we will sample some local cuisine. Let's go. Snacks. This one immediately caught my eye because it's egg flavored and I'm obsessed with eggs. I got a sea salt caramel that is made right here in Sitka, Alaska, and then also Galvanina organic tangerine prickly pear sparkling flavored beverage. These are our snacks we are going to be sampling for Sitka. Fried egg, potato chips, No. This tastes like a literal fried egg. This is insane. Oh my gosh. I don't know how they did that. This is egg-free. It tastes like it. These are awesome. They taste like a literal fried egg. Okay, I'm gonna have the caramel now. Sea salt caramel from Sitka, Alaska. So buttery, so creamy, delicious. This is incredible. Our last snack is going to be this organic tangerine and prickly pear soda. Let's try this. Oh, that's tasty. Prickly pear is such an interesting flavor. Like if you eat it or drink it, you're like, yes, that's prickly pear. I totally know what that is. But like if I was to describe it, I don't even know how, like a floral orange maybe? Hibiscusy guava? It's really good. These are all W's, all amazing, great Sitka snacks. Thank you so much for joining me on my adventure to Sitka, Alaska, where we got to sightsee, sample the local cuisine, and get a souvenir. I hope you join me next time on my next adventure, and I'll see you there. Bye.